close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Welcome back to the Sweet Fam. I am about to make some peanut cakes, but the peanut I've got is the red skin peanut, so I am going to put them in the oven so that the skin can come off easily. Learned that little trick from my dad because he used to be a farmer and he used to they call poach the peanuts. So I'm just gonna put them on this tray and put them in the oven for a couple minutes so that the skin of the peanut can come off easily. I'm gonna put it in the oven for maybe 10 minutes. Yes guys, so for this peanut cake, peanut drops, some people know it as, we're going to need dark sugar, ginger, and of course the peanut. So while my peanuts are in the oven, I am going to grate this piece of, well, these pieces of ginger. So I'm going to grate it on this side. Going to boil this ginger with the sugar and the peanut until it boils right down, and then we're going to drop it. Well, I got parchment paper or grease paper, some people know it as. That's what I'm going to put mine on to set. Depends on how much ginger, how strong you want the taste. Depends on how much ginger you use. Here we have it. We just took the peanuts from the oven, and this is how it's like, guys. You just give it a little, just a little twirl on your hands, and then you see the shell come off the peanut. So I'm going to do that to everything. It's a lot of work, but I don't mind doing it. So if you can get the peanuts without the shell that's already poached, or then it's okay. That's time consuming. So I'm gonna get going now.
Who's helping you? Who's helping you?
Here we got it. So we took all the trash off the nuts, and we managed to get like 2 cups of peanuts. So we're going on to the next step, which is going to put about maybe a cup of water, a cup and a half of water on the fire with some ginger to boil. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to work with, guys. Most people use different ingredients, but today I'm just going to work with ginger, peanuts, and dark sugar. So first of all, I am going to put about a cup or a cup and a half of water to boil with the ginger. So here we have it, guys. We have the water and the ginger. We have the water and the ginger. It's boiling. Then I'm going to add my sugar. Wow, that's steam. I'm going to add my sugar, 2 cups of sugar. So to the ginger and the water, I add 2 cups of sugar, and I'm going to add the peanut, and I'm going to let that boil because the peanut also needs to cook. So So we're just gonna mix that together and let that boil. So we're just gonna mix everything together and let that come to a boil.
This, Mom.
Okay, baby girl. Yes, this is what we're looking for. It's coming to a boil. We have to make it boil right down, so the water dry right out, so that we can start to drop it. Just leave that to boil some more. So while the peanut is coming down, I am just going to prepare the parchment paper for me to drop them on. So in Jamaica, I think maybe they used to put it on like banana leaf, but we haven't got any banana leaf, so we have to put it on the parchment paper. So we're almost there. Oh, it's almost finished. Just need to come down a little more, because what we're looking for when we do like this, then we don't need so many liquid in the pot still. But it's almost there. Yes, I think that's it. So I am going to take this off now and start dropping them. Okay, so I'm going to start dropping it now. Leave them to cool before we can actually serve them. That's the process of making our peanut drops. A lot of people use different ingredients, but I always try to keep what I'm doing simple, so someone who is not a professional can try as well. So all we needed for this was dark sugar, ginger, and the peanut.